Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I know I look a hot mess right now, but I promise you, but no scratch that. I'm not making any promises. By the end of this video, I'm gonna try to look like something decent. I'm gonna try. Let's just pray and hope and believe that I can pull this off. If you are new here, hey, welcome to the channel. Sorry you had to see me like this, but go look at some of my other videos. I promise I don't look like this all the time. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. I'm going to link everything down below in the description bar. So today's video, I'm going to be trying out a VPART wig. I've been seeing them all over TikTok and I wanted to try one out. I actually brought two, so I'm hoping I like it and I didn't like waste my money on buying two. So yeah, I'm not gonna be trying both of them on in this video. It's gonna be another video with the second wig, but I'm gonna try the first one on. I got the package right here. I got the goods or whatever. Okay, so this one is from UNICE wigs. This is not sponsored. It's not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money, but I'm not gonna like really get into details about like them because again, it's not sponsored. Give you details about like the wig and all that stuff, but yeah, it's from UNICE. And in the box, let me put it back like how they had it so I could do a proper unboxing. But this is what it looks like when you first open it. So it just has the hair, and then take the hair out, which I'm gonna get into in a second. It has your invoice, which is this right here, and then they give you a little bag with some goodies in it. So they gave me, let's see, oh, they gave me one of these little stretchy little bands, I guess, like to lay your little baby hairs down. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I could use that because I could lay my real baby hairs down with this because I'm not like a wig girl. I don't know what this is. I think it's a makeup brush. I think, let me see. Yeah, it's like a little makeup brush, I guess, like a little duster. It gave me some lashes. Let me tell y'all something. These hair companies are starting to get like better with, I mean, these are still ugly, but they starting to get a little better with their lashes, because before, no, it was never given. And then they gave me, I think this is a bonnet. I don't know. I'm about to see. Yep, it's up on it. So they gave me another bonnet to add to my bonnet collection, because y'all know you can never have too many of those. But yeah, so that's all that came in the little goodie bag. For the details on the hair, let me read off the invoice because I don't even remember. VPART wig, 18 inches. I wanted to get it like for it to be like a natural feel. I know 18 inches is still kind of long, but I wanted to kind of like, you know, have it looking kind of somewhat natural because my natural hair is going to be out. But yeah, basically VPART wig is kind of like, you know how like when you get a sew-in and you got a little bit of leave out, that's what it's giving. And yeah, that's me to the T. Like, I'm not a wig girl. Like I said, I can't do the maintenance on the wig. Whenever I do get my hair done, like if I have a wig or a sew-in, my sister does it. And yeah, but I wanted to be a big girl this time and do my own hair. So I got something that was hopefully beginner friendly. We gonna see today, because you know. But yeah, let me stop rambling. All right, so this is the hair. You got your little lunch lady hair net on here. Let me take it out. This is the hair, just a straight. It has a little bump at the end, you know, when your mother used to bump your ends. Yeah, this is what it's giving at the end. A little bump. This okay, we're gonna straighten it. And then I have this, just take this out. All right, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna put like a little side by side or whatever so y'all can really get the tea. And then it has some clips. It has one, two, it has 3 clips and then like 2 mini clips in the front. So it has 3, 1, 2, and then 3 down here, and then too many clips in the front to kind of like, you know. Oh, it's actually 4 in the front. My bad. It's 4. It's not 2. 4 mini clips in the front. And yeah, this is just the wig, like the cap size. Hopefully this shit could fit on my head, because that's another problem with me with wigs, that they never fit on my head. So I'm about to take this bonnet off. Before I do that, please do not come for me in the comments. I did the best I could with under the circumstances that I was given. So hopefully, you know, this works out. But yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so I just wanted to give y'all a few details about the wig, because I honestly left it out. I just realized as I'm editing that I didn't even give y'all any details. But anyways, the wig, like I said in the video, it is from UNICE hair. I'll put the link in the description bar for anybody that's interested in it. The hair came really fast. I got the hair in like 2 days. I ordered it on a Friday. It came Monday. So that means they process over the weekend, which is good, because I like my stuff to get here ASAP. The hair itself, it was like it was black, but it wasn't jet black, so it didn't really blend well with my hair, because it was more on the brown side, and my hair is kind of brown, but it's dark brown. The wig was a lighter brown, so just keep that in mind. But the hair itself, it was really nice. It was soft. It didn't have any smell. The texture of the hair was really nice. It held a curl really well, so I really like that. And it actually held a curl all day, so I didn't have to go in and like re-curl or anything. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all some information about the hair. If you got any questions, you can leave them in a comment below and I'll get to them. But yeah, this is just me putting on the wig. I just slicked back my hair so that none of it is showing, of course, outside of the wig. But I'm gonna let y'all finish watching. I struggle a lot with this, but we got it done, girl. The wig has been secured, so I'm about to straighten this little piece of my hair, and I'm gonna come back to y'all with the final results. But so far, pretty good. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I had to move to a different part of my room with some better lighting, so please don't mind the background. It's just not cute. And for that, we're here for the hair. But this is what it's given. It is so cute. The only thing that I don't like is that my hair does not blend with this hair, which is totally my fault, because I should have got like a wig with like more texture to the hair versus like just a straight wig if I was gonna get like a closure or something. But it's so cute. Like, look y'all, it's so cute. It holds a curl. Can y'all see? It's so long on me. I'm sure that's the thing. It holds a curl so freaking well. Like, I just love it. Like, look. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I definitely recommend this VPART wig. It's so cute. Like I said, the curl, chef's kiss. It holds it so good. And But the only thing, like I said, if you have more texture here, like more on the texture side, I recommend getting like a wig that's more texture so it could blend like perfectly and seamlessly. It's not bad, but you could literally tell the difference between my hair and the wig. I don't know if y'all can see, but this is what the top look like. I blended it pretty well. And yeah, this is just the wig. It's so cute. I love it. You know, you can leave it straight, you can curl it. I think the curl, it just gives it more, it's more me. Like the curl is more me, but of course you can leave it straight. But yeah, this is it. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Turn on your post notifications so you are notified anytime that a new video goes up. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. I'm gonna link everything down below in the description. And thank you so much for pulling up to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.